Marco Polo was a famous Western traveller. His journey took him 24 years to travel along the Silk Road. Marco Polo and his family went to Asia to bring a letter, Christian scholars, and oil from the lamp at the Holy Scripture from the Pope. Marco Polo travelled with his uncle and dad, who were expert merchants. His uncle and dad had many jewels and treasures. He was born around 1254. His family left Venice to travel the Black Sea towards Central Asia. He sailed to the Middle East. His family got off the boat and walked to Persia, which is now called Iran. They walked through the mountains and the Gobi Desert to Beijing. When they got to Beijing, they also travelled to Yunnan, Sochi, Tangchao, and Hangzhou. They sailed along the coast of China to Vietnam and Sumatra, then to Sri Lanka and India. Kabir hired Marco as a tax collector. Marco Polo's goals was to write about his travel, to teach Westerners about China and other countries east. Marco Polo was able to teach Western culture to the east and vice versa. Marco Polo and his family became very rich, but as soon as they left Mongolia, they were not protected from Kabir and were robbed by the Turkish. But they still returned back to Venice, and Marco Polo was nicknamed Millionaire because he had so much money. In the end, Marco Polo introduced pasta to Italy and brought back gunpowder and fireworks to Europe. Trading routes were made to make trading in and out of Europe easier. This changed people's life. Pasta was an easy meal to cook and didn't take much time. Merchants became much richer because of the trading routes.